Urine pregnancy test by card method. The urine pregnancy test by card method is a qualitative immunoassay for detecting human chorionic gonadotropin or HCG hormone, which is secreted in urine during pregnancy. It enables detection of HCG for pregnancy as early as on the first day of a woman's missed period or as per manufacturer's recommended sensitivity. These tests are easy to use, versatile, and produce rapid results. Principle: when a woman becomes pregnant, her body produces a hormone called HCG or the human chorionic gonadotropin, which appears in the urine. The secretion of this hormone increases throughout the first trimester. HCG test utilizes the principle of immunochromatography on a membrane. As the test sample flows through the membrane assembly within the test device, the colored conjugate binds with the HCG in the sample. This complex moves further on the membrane to the test region where it is immobilized by the anti-HCG antibodies coated on the membrane, leading to the formation of a pink-colored line which confirms a positive test result. Absence of this colored line in the test region indicates a negative test result. To serve as a procedural or built-in control, a colored line will always appear at the control line region if the test has been performed properly, regardless of the presence of HCG in test specimen. This control line serves to validate the test results. Specimen requirements. No special patient preparation is necessary for this procedure. A random clean catch urine sample is collected in a clean dry container. Rinse the container with water till it is free of soap or detergent. Soap or detergent might interfere with the results of the test. Test requirements: UPT kit containing pouches of test devices, kit insert, timer. The pouch contains one test device, one disposable dropper, one desiccant or a moisture-absorbing pouch. This is not required for performing the test. Procedure: follow standard precautions while performing the test. Remove the kit from the refrigerator. Take out the test device from the pouch and bring it to room temperature. Do not keep it open for a long period of time. The test device has a circular sample window, a result window marked C or the control region and T or the test region. Keep the test device away from fan, dryer or breeze of air while performing the test. Keep the test device on a flat surface. Label it with patient ID. Mix the urine sample by inversion. Collect the urine sample with the help of the dropper provided. Add exactly the number of full drops recommended by manufacturer of urine sample in the sample window. Do not add the urine sample in the result window marked with C and T or any other part of the test device. Do not touch the result window of the test device. Results and interpretation. Once you finish addition of the urine sample, you can observe the urine sample flowing across the result window. Observe the result window for appearance of lines and interpret the result. The lines start appearing within few seconds after the sample flows across the result window. Positive result is indicated if two distinct purple lines appear in the result window, one at C and one at T. Result for a positive urine sample appears within 2 minutes. Negative result is indicated if only one purple line appears in the result window at C. If no lines appear in the result window with distinct color, it is an invalid result. It is recommended to repeat the test. Read the result within 10 minutes or as indicated by the manufacturer. Do not interpret the result after the time indicated by the manufacturer. Appearance of test results after this time may not have any significance. Results are reported as either positive or negative. Questionable results should be repeated a second time. If you wish to confirm, discard the used test device and repeat the above test with a fresh test device and fresh sample. Precautions to be taken while doing the test. Do not use the device beyond the expiration date printed on the kit or foil pouch. Use appropriate precautions for the collection, handling, and storage of specimens. Dispose of all used test devices, pipettes, droppers, and specimens in suitable biohazardous waste containers. Test devices are stable in the unopened foil pouches until the expiration date. Do not remove the test device from the pouch until needed. If specimen has been stored refrigerated, allow it to warm to room temperature before use. The following should be kept in mind while performing the test. If the test result is negative, it can happen that the period has been miscalculated, and repeat the test. Infertility drugs containing HCG will interfere with the results of the test. Drinking large amounts of fluids prior to collection of the sample can dilute HCG hormone levels in the urine, leading to inaccuracy of the test results. Confirm pregnancy by other means before starting endocrinology or any other treatment. Contaminated, turbid specimens should not be used. Do not reuse a used test device. Irrespective of the intensity of the lines, 2 lines is to be interpreted as positive.